Welcome to WH Creator. In this video, we're going to learn how to change your PC password without knowing the previous password. So, let's get started. First, right-click on this PC and select Manage. Now, click on Local Users and Groups. Next, click on Users on right side. Before we proceed, remember one important thing. If you want to change a password without knowing the previous one, you must know the username. Once you know it, simply right-click on the username you want to change the password for and click Set Password. Now, click on Proceed. Here, type your new password. Confirm it again. And then click OK. That's it, your password has been successfully changed. Now, you can log in using your new password. This was all about today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to WH Creator for more amazing tech tutorials. Subscribe now and stay updated.